Behind your lines, 3, 2, 1, go.
Round one, match number 3 now on the way as we go through the autonomous period. Red Alliance able to put 1, 2, and 3 pieces of coral up onto that branch 4. Meanwhile, their opponent, the number 7 Alliance, able to get 2 up in there. It's a tight match within 7 as we go into the teleop period. Blue Alliance playing a little bit of defense with the Digital Eagles. Shipwreck trying to make it a little tougher for the Red Alliance to get to the coral station and pick up pieces. So that's why the Warbots Apollo gonna switch over. Instead of going for coral, they pick up the algae and throw it right into the net above the barge. Blue Alliance going high, going up for the 5-pointers up on branch number 4 of the reef. They're doing that rather well with half a dozen pieces of coral up there for points. While their partners of 43-29, the Lutheran Robotics, takes care of the algae up and into the net. They'll grab 4 more points with that win. Remember, the winner of this match moves on in the upper bracket, while the losing alliance drops to the lower bracket. We'll find out who's going to move where in just over a minute. We're within 11 points of each other right now with the Red Alliance, Alliance number 2, in the lead. Blue Alliance just added their 9th piece of coral for the match. It is 10 pieces. I'll make it 11 pieces of coral on the reef for the Red Alliance. And the lead is now just 9 in single digits in between the two teams with 45 seconds to play. The defensive strategy may have just caused a foul at the Red Alliance end of the field. We'll wait and see how our referees discern that at the end of our match, which has just 30 seconds to play. The Red Alliance expanding their lead a bit. That's Alliance number 2, while Alliance number 7, the Blue Alliance, trying hard to put up some extra points. There's the sound for the end game. Coming up to the end, they'll be trying to make their way underneath the barge, and it looks like most of the teams have picked the deep cage in order to grab the 12 points if they're able to pull themselves up and off of the playing field. Looks like the Red Alliance was able to do just that. The Red Alliance, with a final score of 139 to 102, so the Red Alliance, the number 2 Alliance, will win this one and then move on in the